How to cancel Bluechew membership. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with new video, and on today's video we will see how we can cancel Bluechew membership. So let's get started. Now, to cancel your subscription or your membership on Bluechew at any time, here's how you can do it. First of all, you have to log into your Bluechew account. Once you're logged in, you have to look under the membership tab and select the Put on Hold button in the status section. This will deactivate your account and will not be charged moving forward. So this is a way to deactivate or to cancel your subscription or membership on Bluechew anytime. But if you need any help or assistance, you can reach out to their support team via support@bluechew.com, or you can simply chat on their website as well. So this is a way to cancel or stop your membership on Bluechew, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.